Welcome to Packaging School. Today we will understand what is venting membrane and its working principle with induction heat seal. A venting membrane works with an induction heat seal to allow gas exchange while preventing liquid leakage. It is essential for products that generate gas, such as chemicals, agrochemicals, or carbonated liquids, to prevent container bloating or collapsing. Now let's discuss working principle of venting membrane with induction heat seal. 1. Induction sealing process. The induction liner is placed inside the cap and consists of multiple layers, including an aluminum foil layer and a heat-activated polymer layer. When the cap is applied and passed through an induction sealing machine, the electromagnetic field heats the aluminum foil, melting the polymer layer and bonding it to the bottle's rim. 2. Integration of venting membrane. A microporous PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene, membrane is integrated into the induction liner. The membrane is hydrophobic, allowing gases to pass through while blocking liquids. It is placed within a small hole or channel in the liner, ensuring controlled gas exchange. 3. Functionality. Prevents container deformation. As gases accumulate inside, they pass through the venting membrane, equalizing pressure. Blocks liquid leakage. The membrane prevents liquid from seeping out, ensuring the container remains leak-proof. If you find this helpful, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for joining us.